These are James Allen's graduating diamond hoop earrings. If you're thinking about purchasing these, this is the video for you. We are going to unbox them, take a look at the packaging that is included, and then we're going to take these earrings in some different lighting conditions so we can really see what these things look like in real life. Now, I'm going to put a link to these diamond hoop earrings on James Allen's website down in the video description. And if you click on that link, that's going to take you to these exact ones. They do have a lot of different variations of their diamond hoop earrings on their site. So if you want to take a look at these exact ones that we're looking at in this video, I'll put a link down in the video description. We'll make the unboxing very quick. There's not a lot to see here, but they do include some very nice packaging. And if we go ahead and take off that little protective sleeve, that's going to reveal the beautiful James Allen box. I like that they take the time to give us some nice packaging. It makes it really nice for a gift. And when we open that lid, front and center, you have that nice pop of color with the earring case there and their signature red case. Very, very nice. And as always, we get straight to the point of this channel. Let's just take a look at the earrings themselves. And as you can see, they look phenomenal. So with the graduating diamonds, we're going to have the small diamond there on the top, and then it's going to go to a medium size. Then we have that large center stone, and then back to medium, and then back to small. I like this a lot. Instead of spreading the carat weight out evenly across all the stones, I like having that larger center stone because it creates more flash, and that size of that center stone kind of carries on to the rest of the earrings, and it makes them look larger than they actually are. So I think the proportions of these are very, very nice, and they look really, really good when they're being worn. So I really like this. The last thing that I wanted to show you on these earrings is the post and the backing pieces. So the post is the piece that goes through your ear, and then the backing piece is the thing that usually slides onto that post that keeps it secure on your ear so your earring doesn't fall out. Well, this particular set of earrings actually has a little hinge in the hoop itself. So the hoop actually slides onto the post and acts as the backing piece. So this means that you'll never lose the little backing piece of your earrings because they're actually attached to the earrings themselves. I think they have a little bit sleeker of a look and a nicer look with this system, and it's definitely a more expensive option, and I really like it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, all we ask is smash that like button, and like I said, I will have links to these earrings down in the video description. And let me know what you think of these. Do you like them in the rose gold? What do you think about the graduating diamonds and the different sizes? I would love to hear your opinion on the overall style of these and what you think about them. So be sure to leave that down in the comments, and until next time, we'll see you in the next video.